This is WWJ Whippin' with Joe. I had a friend of mine today. He gave me a call and said, Joe, I need some equipment. What should I get? So anyway, this is what he showed me this morning. Check him out, huh? Spheros, bro. Brought 4 spheros. I went and spooled it. And guess what? HMX, baby. See, you can find this one here. Oh wait, but let's fix one. Fenwick, baby. Yes, sir. HMX. You. Out of the inventory. But anyway, he got 2 of them. And I brought only 1, so I've got to go and fest up the other one. Because he bought 2 of them. And then, of course, he's got my WWJ GT Series. Papa Joe. Yeah. Anyway, and then we had Super Sleep there, and we had this Mucacho. We put that in each one of these I did, and it's 253 cranks. So approximately 253 yards. Woo woo. Anyway, this is my buddy. His name is Roberto. He's ready to go. Whipping WWJ Fishing Simplified. My style. You. Yeah. This is the way to fish. Anyway, again, WWJ Whipping with Joe. Aloha.